how to connect Shopify to TEMU. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Shopify store and click on apps. After that, search for TEMU and look for the app named Z AliExpress Dropshipping. Then click on it and press install, and again click on install to confirm. Over here, to import products from TEMU into Z, you need to get the Chrome extension. After that, open the Chrome Web Store and search for Z. Then click on Add to Chrome and press Add extension. Then go to TEMU and open the product you want to dropship. Over here at the bottom, click on Add to Import List. Then the Z pop-up will show. It will show imported successfully. Then make sure the Z app is showing in your Shopify apps section. The product will show up in the product center. Over here, you can edit the product and push it to your store. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.